Hello students, today we will study unit number 2 AC circuits, in which we are going to understand one topic, which is measurement of power in three-phase circuit or in three-phase system. So in this video we are going to understand one method, which is 3 watt meter method, that how with the help of 3 watt meters we can measure the power of a three-phase system. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. Okay. So for that purpose, we will consider one load system. So over here first I will consider first load Z, which is connected with the second load, say Z, and last load, say another one Z. So these loads are connected in star, that from the diagram we can see. Now to the first load, current is supplied with the help of one line conductor. So that is what current is supplied with the help of line conductor. That means that is your line from the R phase. Similarly to the second load, current is supplied with the help of line conductor. So that is your line. From the current is supplied from the line conductor from, suppose, say Y phase, and to the third load current is supplied with the help of one line conductor. So that is your line from the B phase, and that is common point, which is neutral. So over here I will show the neutral line. Okay. Now this type of a three-phase system we have, which is star connected. Now if you want to find out the power of the system with the help of 3 watt meter, then how you can find? Okay, so first of all we'll try to understand the meaning of wattmeter. Now wattmeter means what? That it is such a device which will measure power. So over here I will write it will measure power. Now how wattmeter will measure the power? So with the help of 2 coils. That means wattmeter has how many coils? It has 2 coils. Now first coil is known as what? It is known as a current coil. Now current coil will do what? Current coil will measure the current value I. It has another coil which is known as a pressure coil, or more precisely voltage coil. Pressure or voltage coil will measure what? It will measure the potential, or you can say V. Now we know that power equation, which is equals to V into I. So V into I, you will get the answer of power in terms of watt. Okay. Now that is the meaning of wattmeter. Also one thing you should remember, that whatever current coil is there, that current coil is always connected in series with the load, and whatever pressure coil is there, that is connected always between line and neutral. So that 2 things you have to remember, that current coil is connected in series with the load, and pressure or voltage coil is connected between line and voltage, or you can say parallel with the load. Both things are same. Okay. So now we'll try to connect 1 voltmeter first. So 1 voltmeter has current coil which is connected in series. So over here I will connect this that current coil in series with one load. So the in series I have connected, that is which coil? That is current coil, means CC. Okay. Next it has one pressure coil. So pressure coil is connected between line and neutral. So that is line. Over here I have written that is line. That is pressure coil. PC means pressure coil. Line and neutral, that is neutral. So over here I have connected. Now current coil and pressure coil creates what? Creates 2 coils, creates wattmeter. So that will be your wattmeter. So it will give the pressure, that current coil will give the answer of current, and that will give the answer, pressure coil will give the answer of voltage. So V into I. So you will get the power of R phase. So wattmeter reading is suppose W1 for R phase, for power. Okay. Similarly you have another wattmeter. That wattmeter has current coil. Okay. So that current coil will connect in series with that load. So supposing over here I will connect, that is in series with that load. So I will write CC. Then it has one pressure coil which is connected between line and neutral. So over here between line, that is what? Pressure coil PC, line and neutral. So that is neutral. Again, pressure coil and current coil creates what? Creates wattmeter. So it will give the power P into V into I for which phase? For Y phase. So wattmeter reading of power is say W2. Okay. Now another third one wattmeter you have. That wattmeter has one current coil that you will connect in series with load number 3. So over here I can connect in series, that is current coil, and another is pressure coil that is connected between line and the phase. So that is PC means pressure coil line and the line in the neutral. So that is neutral. Current coil and pressure coil creates what? Wattmeter. That wattmeter will measure the power of B phase. So wattmeter reading will be W3 in form of power. Okay. Now if we want to find out the total power, so can I write like this? Total power of three phase system is equals to what? That reading W1 plus reading W2 plus reading W3. That means you are taking the algebraic sum of all the readings so that you will get the answer of total power. Okay. Now that is all about the story, that how with the help of 3 wattmeter you can find out the total power of a star connected 3-phase system. Similarly, now we'll consider delta connected 3-phase system. So for that purpose, I will draw the diagram. Say this type of diagram is there, delta connection. Okay, over here suppose that is your R phase, Y and B. Over here I will connect one load like this, say Z. Then somewhere over here I will connect another load, say Z, and somewhere over here I will connect the load, that is Z. Okay, now that is 3-phase star delta connected system. Now to the R phase, say current is supplied with the help of line conductor from R phase. To the second load, current is supplied with the help of line conductor, say from Y phase. And to the third load, current is supplied with the help of line conductor, say from B phase. Okay. Now we have 3 wattmeters. First wattmeter we will connect, which has one current coil and pressure coil. Current coil is connected in series. So over here I will connect the current coil in series with this first load. So I will write CC. Another coil is connected, what I said, between line and neutral. So over here neutral is not there. So next we will use what? Parallel with what? With the load. So over here I will draw one pressure coil like this, and parallel with the load means that is the parallel connection. That is the parallel connection of pressure coil with the load. Now that pressure coil and current coil will become what? Wattmeter. So that wattmeter will provide the answer of power. So that will be reading number 1. Okay. Similarly, another load is there. Again, current coil is there. Current coil will connect in series with the load. Okay. Then whatever pressure coil is there, that I will connect parallel with that. Okay. So notice symbol is different for current coil. It is like this, and that is parallel, which is what? Pressure coil with the second load, current coil, pressure coil. That will create one wattmeter, which will measure the power in terms of W2 reading it will provide. And finally again current coil is connected in series with load number 3, current coil. Another pressure coil is connected parallel with the load, so that is the parallel connection with the load, that is pressure coil. Again current coil and pressure coil will create one wattmeter, wattmeter number 3, which will provide the answer of power in terms of reading W3. Okay. Now similarly, if you want to calculate the total power of this delta connected 3-phase system, then again you will apply the same equation, that total power is equals to reading W1 plus reading W2 plus reading W3. So that is all about the story of 3 wattmeter method. Now I would like to end this video. Once again we'll meet in a new video with a new topic. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.